Hey guys, today I'll be making a scarf with my leftover yarn. I'm using a 5.5 hook and I'm going to make a slip knot and then chain 31. After that, you're going to skip 2 chains and make a double crochet in the 3rd chain from your hook. Next, you're going to make another double crochet in the same hole. We need 3 double crochets in each hole, so at the beginning, the chain 2 counts as 1 stitch. Next, you're going to skip 2 stitches and place 3 double crochets in the 3rd stitch. Again, skip 2 stitches and place 3 double crochets in the 3rd stitch. So you're going to continue this pattern till the end of the row. Skip 2 and place 3 double crochets in the 3rd stitch. After your last 3 double crochets, you're going to have 1 more stitch and you place 1 double crochet there. Now you chain 2 and turn your work. From here, we're going to be placing the double crochets in the big holes. So you're going to place 2 double crochets there because the chain 2 counts as 1 stitch. Now you go directly into the next hole and place 3 double crochets. Again, go directly into the next hole and place 3 double crochets. So this is the pattern we're going to use for the scarf till the end. At the end, after your last 3 double crochets, you place 1 double crochet in the last hole. Next, chain 2 and turn your work and place 2 double crochets in the first hole. Go directly into the next and place 3 double crochets. One more time, at the end after your last 3 double crochets, place 1 double crochet in the last hole. Chain 2 and turn your work. And place 2 double crochets in the first hole. So you just continue this pattern till you have your desired length. For me, I had 18 inches. And this is just for the first color, just to make it clear. And to finish, I'll just make my last double crochet, 1 at the end, then chain 1 and cut off my work. For the next color, I'm going to make a slip knot. And then I would attach it where I stopped with the other color. So just place your hook in the first hole, yarn over and pull up a loop, and pull that loop through the second one. Then chain 2. Now you place 2 double crochets in that same hole because the chain 2 counts as 1 stitch. And go directly into the next hole with 3 double crochets. So you continue with the pattern, 3 double crochets in each hole until you are satisfied with this color. Again, at the end of the row, make 1 more double crochet at the last hole, chain 2 and turn your work. Place 2 double crochets in the first hole and continue with 3 double crochets in each hole. I just want to show you guys one more time how I attach the next color. So make a slip knot and insert your hook in the first hole. Yarn over and pull up a loop. And pull the first loop through the second one. Then chain 2. And make 2 double crochets in that hole. You can see that I'm also trying to hide my ends so I don't have to weave in so many ends at the end. So I'm done with my scarf. I added 1 color which was green, and the length in total was 60 inches. And now I'm going to make the fringe. For the fringe, take your yarn and measure 12 inches. You can make it as long or short as you want it, but just remember that whatever length you want, you're going to fold it and it's going to be half of that length. So mine is 12 inches, and when I fold it, it's going to be 6 inches. So I'm just going to make enough strands of 12 inches. You can decide to just cut pieces of 12 inches, or you can use the second method I'm going to show you. You measure 12 inches. You can use the first one as an example. And from that point, you fold it. And again, you grab the end and fold it again. So you just keep folding and you make sure that it is the same length. When you have enough strands, you're going to cut the ends on this side and on the other side. We're going to place the strands in the big holes, and I'll be using 3 strands each. So pick up 3 strands. Take your hook inside the first hole. Place your strands on the hook and pull through that hole. Yarn over with the strands and pull through. I hope that makes sense. And now you just make it tight. I will show you guys how to do it again. So pick up 3 strands. When you fold it, make sure that it is the same length. Now take your hook inside the hole. Pull up a loop. Yarn over with the strand and pull through that loop. And then you make it tight. So you're going to continue this for the remaining holes. If you run out of the strands, just measure 12 inches again. So this is what it looks like when I'm done, and now you're going to repeat the same thing for the other side. Lastly, I'm going to weave in my ends. So this is what it looks like at the end. I hope you guys liked it. See you guys in my next video.